everybody, and welcome back. Batman Jones here from BJ Drinks Beer, and today I've got one for you from Flying Fish Brewing Co. out of Somerdale, New Jersey. Go Birds!
Yeah!
Go Birds is a 6% hazy pale ale, and it's hopped with Citra, Huel Melon, and Lemon Drop.
Hey!
On the nose, picking up some tropical notes, little bit of hoppiness, little bit of bitterness in there, but you get a lot of tropical notes. Let's give it a try. Really good stuff. Great balance. The bitterness just kind of peeks out from the juiciness to say hello. Really solid hazy pale ale. Not quite as good as Freshies or Always Ready or Weekend Warrior or any of the other hazy pale ales that, are big in this area, but it is definitely a solid hazy pale ale. I'm gonna have to give this one a 3.5 out of 5.
Nice.
If you haven't had anything from Flying Fish, I definitely recommend you check them out. They've got some really good stuff and some really interesting things on the way. And get out to the brewery, it's an excellent time. That's all I got for this time. Until next time, cheers.
Bye, have a...
This hazy, juicy pale ale screams of citrus and mango. Perfect for the professional ornithologist or casual birder alike. Keep your eyes to the skies and raise a can to our local birds.
Bye, have a great time.